guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Articulary, where we make the content regarding eco-friendly home decor tips and tricks and ideas and so much more. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you an amazing website, and on that website the amazing home decor items that you could get on budget. I'll show you that website in a second. So I'm going to be diving onto my laptop to show you that exactly the products without me actually talking about it. So let's dive in. Before we go park, consider clicking the like button, guys. Really appreciate that. If you want more such video, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon because we upload daily videos, and when we do so, you'll be get notified about it. Also, you can check our website, that's at www.articulary.com, where we have amazing high quality affordable art printables, framed art posters and unframed art posters as well. So very well you can get it. The link is in description box below. So hover to a laptop and I'm gonna show you that website and the products. The website, that is the wayfair.com. It's an amazing website to buy the amazing home decor items for your decorating your home. You could see on the very first home page, you could see make your kitchen work for you. If you're purchasing anything for kitchen, the area rugs for less. Rugs are an amazing way to the home decor items, top rated pegs. And you could see the bunch of the products over here. The shop by department, you could have the furnitures, the outdoor bedding and bath, decor and pillows, rugs. So today we will going to first of all going to the topic, that is the decor and pillows, and another thing we would be going into the rugs, and another thing we would be going into the lighting, because it's a time of the holidays and we want the items related to these particular things. You could also see the sale items that are on the sale on this website, and you could see the bunch of the stuffs over here. So let's just go over to the first of all the home decor, the decor pillows, and a lot more is there. Now you could select very well from this website related to the art, wall decor, home accessories, decorative pillows, blankets, and all those kind of stuff. But we would be probably going into the decorative pillows and blankets, because this is the art. You want to go over to the throw pillows. Different kinds of throw pillows, the pillow type, the color, shape and size. Now we are looking for budget, so you $22.98. So you could see the bunch of the ideas over here. You could very well select the price per item from here, and if I go over the under $25, because we are looking budget friendly, you could go above that as well. You could purchase the $125 and above as well, pricey as well. So you could see that really budget friendly. You could see this, the $10.99 only, you're getting this amazing beautiful white colored pillow cover over here. This one again $10.99, $11.99. So you could see the pillow covers are highly on a budget. You could see this is a 4 set. You're getting the 4 set. This one is again $14.99, $19.99. So it's in highly on budget, and you could get the color whichever one you want to if you don't want the white. Again, this one is $12.99. It's pretty beautiful. So you could see that there are so beautiful types of pillow covers are there. They are highly on budget. Some are highly on budget, some are just for the $20. Now let's move on to another part of the video, that is the finding the second products. That's we are looking for a rug. So I'm going for area rugs. You could find the different kinds of rugs over here. Now you could see that very well we can set the price first of all, and we're gonna see a less expensive one. So price per item, let's do it. I'm gonna see maybe if I can get it below $75, but let's see. I'll just gonna set it for now. It's below $75 to see how much we can go with below this one. So you could see this rug over here, $27.99 to $141.99. Depending on the size, you could start with $27, $49. So it's also on budget, and you could very well see $18.99. Similarly, $30.99, 27. This one is pretty amazing. Red color, 16.99, starting from Dan and ranging to 300. So it depends on the size, what kind of size you are purchasing. But it all starts from $25 or $30, and so. And you can start according to it, and you could see the beautiful ones. This one is looking pretty amazing. The Bath's Burgundy area rug starts with $27.99. So you could see right now this is on the sale, this is on a sale, this is on a sale. It's the holiday times. You can get really good quality, amazing rugs for home decor. Let's move on to the third and the last item of this video. That's the lighting. Lighting is also important, but what kind of lighting we want? I think we want more kind of like outdoor and indoor kind of lighting, but I would go for all kinds of outdoor lighting. Now you could set the price first of all. The features is there, type is there, show more filters. Price per item under $50. Okay, so you can see $19.99 LED spotlight light pack. It's a set of 4. This will look pretty amazing, guys. It is a set of 6. I think it will look pretty amazing if you're decorating outside. It just still cost you $34.27. Similarly, the case of this one. This one is also going to look amazingly well. Oh wow. 38.50. You're getting 24 sets of the lamps, and all those are outdoor ones. You can also see the indoor ones. I have selected the outdoor ones, so that's why it's showing me outdoor ones. This one is a mason jar LED outdoor lantern, and you could see the set of 6 and 5.3 inches. So there is a lot more that you could purchase for your holidays. This is the $19.99. This ball looks pretty amazing. Bulb string outdoor ball. These one are also amazing at $20.99. Hopefully, guys, these are the 3 products that I want to show you on this website as a Wayfair. Now there are a lot more products on the Wayfair which you can actually look for. Budget friendly, eco friendly, and also depending on your color, your choice, home interior style. There are so much there on this website. Hopefully you find today's video useful. Do let me know in the comment section below. Hopefully you find today's video useful. Do let me know in the comment section below. Have you ever purchased any home decor item on this particular website or any website in the online space? I would really love to hear from you in the comment section below. And if you have any question, any query, any doubt related to home decor item, do let me know in the comment section below. I would really love to hear from you. Thank you so much for tuning in. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye guys.